Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the AsIO.sys driver error on Windows 11 and Windows 10, especially for ASUS startup issues. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, right-click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. This will open the main system settings where we can access security options. After that, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Windows Security. Now scroll down and click on Windows Security again to open it. After that, you will see an option called Core Isolation. Click on Core Isolation Details. Here you will find the Memory Integrity option. If it is turned on, then turn it off. This feature protects your system by blocking certain drivers, but sometimes it also blocks older or incompatible drivers like AsIO.sys. After that, scroll down and you will see the option called Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist. Turn off this option as well. This setting prevents potentially unsafe drivers, but it can also block drivers required by some ASUS software. Now close everything. Restarting your system is important so the changes take effect properly. Now move to the second method. Click on File Explorer. After that, scroll down and click on this PC. Now open the C drive. Then click on the Windows folder. After that, scroll down and then click on SysWow64. Now scroll down again and click on Drivers. Here you will find different driver files used by Windows. Now look for the file named AsIO.sys. Once you find it, right-click on it and then click on Delete. In my PC, it is not showing because it may already be removed or not present. Deleting this file removes the problematic driver causing the error. After this, refresh the folder. Then close everything. Now restart your system again. After your PC starts, the AsIO.sys driver error should be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.